Good morning! First pasyal day natin here in Rome. We're gonna go to Vatican today. So mag-skincare na muna tayo. Nag-shower na ako. Kasi kagabi na ako naligo ng hair. So, hindi po naka-nail extensions. Ayun. I'm using the Biotin Hyaluronic Gold Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Sige nga. Laban natin yan. Yun. Okay. Don't forget the neck. Excuse me. Excited ako today. We are going to Vatican. This is my room. Here in Italy. Yeah. So after the day cream, basic makeup na tayo. But first, Derm Aid Lip Therapy Balm. Para very moisturized sa ating lips. So I'm just using the BLK Skin Tint Sun Sheet. May 30 SPF. Very basic lang ako mag-makeup. Kailangan ko lang ng coverage for the sun. So ang ginagamit ko ay tinted sunscreen. And then sa labas, may dala akong extra sunscreen na wala ng tint. Alright, next is enhance lang ng kilay. I'm using this BLK Brow Sculpting Pencil Duo in Natural Brown. Kasi may mga patlang ng ating eyebrows. So kailangan lang natin siya i-fill in. There. Kung hindi ako chumichika, ay ginagawa ko lang siya talaga. Usually, I only take like 5 minutes to finish this makeup routine. Oh, diba? Buhay na yung ating eyebrows. Para mas maganda lang sa photo. There. Malinis. BLK ulit, ngayon ko lang napansin. Ano lang talaga ako, I'm a lip and cheek girly. Kapag unang lagay mo siya, diba usually yung mga lip and cheek tint product, pag nilagay mo siya, nagkukulay na siya ng gano'n. But this one hindi, madali rin siyang i-spread. And it's very pigmented. This will last me the whole day. Itong cheek tint, hindi ko na to nire-retouch. Usually yung akin lang lipstick or lip balm, lagi ako naglagay na talaga nito. Derm Aid. So that's it. Next we're gonna do mag-lipstick na tayo. This is Creamy All Over Paint from BLK din. Mag-plancha tayo. To finish it off, we're gonna use MAC powder. Para hindi siya, mag-mattify lang siya kasi, diba, beautiful na. Beautiful na. Yan lang. We're done. So, I'll just finish my hair, plancha tayo, and then add a little bit of accessories and we're done. I'm excited to explore that.